Here at Virtuous, we're really passionate about using your data in really meaningful ways to help personalize your donor relationships. And we think data is power, and when you use it in really meaningful ways, it can not only help drive better personal relationships with your donors, but ultimately raise more money. So we're going to talk today about 3 big ways that your data can help drive ROI for your organization. So any good CRM and donor management system, it will store your data, help you understand it, visualize it. But at the end of the day, your data should help you take action and actually personalize and create more meaningful relationships and drive outcomes. And so we think a great CRM should help you do that, take action so you can drive better results. And so these are 3 big ways that we think your data can help you drive ROI. So number 1, the first way is actually helping you make better, more accurate asks for each of your donors. And so what do I mean by this? You have a lot of giving data. People are giving for different reasons, through different channels and different amounts all throughout the year. And all of this there's patterns included in this. You know why they're giving, where they're giving from. And if you can take this and look at it kind of in a holistic way, you can understand maybe what the best next ask for this donor should be. That sounds really hard, but one thing that Virtuous actually does to help you understand is we bubble up ideas about what the next best ask should be. So instead of just asking for that same $100 from your donors, why don't you ask them in ways that they might respond better? So for example, if we see that a donor's been giving single sporadic gifts throughout the last year, we might recommend to ask them for a recurring pledge. Or another great example is instead of asking them for money, maybe they've got a large Twitter following and they're in college and they're not financially able to give right now. Why don't we ask them in different ways to engage? Maybe it's tweeting about our upcoming events or joining us for a fundraiser, inviting their neighbors. Your data has these insights hidden in there, and Virtuous can actually help bubble up what the next best ask might be. All right, so the second big way that you can actually increase your ROI with your data is just simply by using your donor's name in any emails that you're sending to them. And it sounds like a simple idea, but we've actually found that if you just simply use your donor's name in an email, you can increase the click-through rate by 270%. But we say, why stop there? First name, it's a great thing to have in an email, but what if you could include their last gift amount, the projects that they're supporting, when their membership started? All of these values you have in your donor management system. And Virtuous actually allows you to take all of these data points and use them in your emails, so now the emails are personal and meaningful to each donor. So the third big way that we can increase your ROI by using your data is actually by taking action through automation. Now, for example, someone might have come and given $500 to your Animals in Need project. And so what we want to do is, instead of just sending them a generic thank you and then sending them our annual appeal next year, what if we could respond with a 3 email series that thanks them for that $500, but also encourages them, because we know that they live in California, to come to our next event in Los Angeles that's going to talk about what we're doing to help these animals, and actually invite them to a volunteer opportunity. And then the 3rd email can ask them to come to a major donor event where they're asked to give in really meaningful ways, because we know what they care about. And we're actually able to automate that follow-up because of those donor activities, because of the donor's behavior. So each person can get a unique follow-up, a unique thank you, and a unique ask, all based on how they've given and who they are. So hopefully that was helpful. These are 3 simple ways that we think you can improve the ROI, the engagement that you're getting from your donors, ultimately help you raise more money. And this is how Virtuous can help you get there. Thanks for watching, guys.